Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Now click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see the number of followers just below the username. Click on it. Now click on the remove button. Click on the remove button once more. And that is how you can easily remove followers on threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.